Hey all, it's Matt with Bobcat Bonsai here, and I know I said that last unboxing we did was going to be the last unboxing for the year, but I found a tree that I wanted and I ended up ordering it. So it's my first actual bonsai tree that I've ordered, so I'm pretty stoked about getting this opened up and checking it out. So let's get to it. Alright, so we just gotta get the tape cut. We're beginning to get this all set to open up. Let's get our first look together here. And it looks like a very pretty little tree. Very well packaged. I do like this. So this is a Chinese elm. Sorry, I got my arm in your way. I just gotta try and get this whole tree out and hold you steady at the same time. Tree is out in another little package. Alright, so I'm making sure we get to look at all this together. Get the little leaves off. Have to get this tape cut again for this other box. Be a little bit more careful this time. Alrighty. Now I just have to figure out how to open up this box. There we go. Nice bubble wrap. Here comes the next exciting part. We're going to get to check out this pot that it came in. Get all the plastic wrap off, holding all this soil in. Get this out of the way. Alright. So let's set this back here as like a little backdrop for you. Get the tree centered up on here. I really like this pot. It's a nice little blue. And then it has just like the regular clay red feet on there with black speckling through it. The tree itself is really pretty. I really like it. It's definitely a great starter bonsai. The soil is nice and damp, so I'm probably not going to water it today, but I will end up misting the leaves. And since we are into the fall season, it won't be getting watered near as much. I'm turning it by the pot because I forgot that I made this little turntable that I can turn it from there. Let's pull you back a little bit and let you get a full view of it. I'm trying to see here what they intended as the front view. I feel like a good front of the tree would be right here, but obviously then we'd have to turn it completely in the pot and get it all turned to face out either this side or this side. I'm assuming that the way they potted it is they wanted either this to be the front, which is interesting, but you're not getting like the full aspect of that curve, in my opinion. Or they wanted this to be the front, right here. I don't know. I'm gonna end up changing the front view most likely. So let's get a little zoom in here and check out this top cut that we have to work with. It's not terrible. It's definitely a very straight across cut. Sorry, I'm trying to get you in here the best I can. I think what we're gonna end up going with is, no, this is just in hopes that everything works out perfect, but this little guy right here is probably gonna become the main leader coming off. So that way it's coming up and kicking back this way. Possibly. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos and be notified every time I post a new video, please hit the bell notification and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.